Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the grille on your Infiniti Q50. Before we begin, make sure your car is off and parked safely. You'll need a few basic tools, like a trim removal tool and a ratchet set, to get started. Also, consider laying down a blanket or some cardboard to protect your bumper from any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement. Now, let's get to removing the old grille. Start by carefully taking out all the plastic clips and screws that hold your bumper cover in place. Once those are free, gently pull the bumper cover forward just enough to reveal the grille's mounting points. You'll then be able to unclip the old grille from its tabs and carefully detach it from the bumper. Take your time here to avoid any damage. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, why not bring your space to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enhance your daily experience. You can find the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old grille out, it's time for the exciting part: installing your new one. Carefully align the new grille with the mounting tabs on your bumper cover. Make sure all the tabs are properly engaged and securely snap the grille into place. Once the new grille is firm, reattach the bumper cover, ensuring all the clips and screw holes line up perfectly. Then, simply put back all the screws and clips.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.